Lesson number 6, question 1. This is an easy question, but it may be very difficult if we do not know about the currency system, the coins that are used in the US. In the US, a dollar equal to 100 cents, a quarter equal to 25 cents, a dime equal to 10 cents, and a nickel equal to 5 cents. And so we have one quarter equal to $0.25, one dime equal to $0.1, and one nickel equal to $0.05. And here we choose option A for the final result. Actually, it's easy, very easy. Question number 2. As subtract 4 equal 10. That means S equal to 14. And 3 times S equal to 42. Subtract 12, that is 30. Option C. Question number 3. In the expression 8 raised to power n and is even, which of the following expressions does not have even power? Of course, 1 is an odd number. And we will get odd number if we take odd number and even number add together. And of course, this one is even. This one is also even because of n is even. 3 times n is also even. Number 4 is an even number, so it is also even. And option A. Question number 4. The height of triangle ABC is twice of the height of parallelogram ADEC. If the area of triangle ABC is 14, what is the area of parallelogram ADEC? First, we need to draw the height of the triangle ABC. It is a BK. And we also draw the height of the parallelogram ADEC AH. From the information in the question here, of course, we have BK is twice of AH. Therefore, AH equal to 1 second times BK. The question is about the rate of parallelogram IDEC. So we need to calculate the rate of triangle ABC and the rate of parallelogram IDEC and compare them. It is clearly that the area of triangle ABC equal to 1 second times BK times AC. And remind that this area is 14. In other hands, we have the area of parallelogram ID EC equal to HH times DE. Of course, that we have that AC equal to DE. That means the triangle and the parallelogram, their bases are equal. And we use this, and we use this information. We have that this one equal to 1 second BK times EC. It is also 14, the same result, the same number. Option D. Question number 5. The circle graph below shows the percent of an exercise routine that is spent on each body part. If approximately 37 minutes is spent on shoulders and back, which of the following choices best approximates the amount of time spent on arms and legs? 37 minutes is spent on shoulders and back. That means that 37 minutes corresponding to let me see. Let me see the figure. Let me check. Shoulders 18% and back 23%. Hence, we have that 37 minutes corresponding to 18% plus 23%. That is total is 41%. The question is asking about the time. About the time for arms and legs. We need to convert 1% of 1% is corresponding to how many minutes? So how many minutes here? We take 37 divided by 41, and we just need to times to the sum of percent of arms and legs. There is arms of 6% and legs 23%. 6 plus 23. Maybe we need a calculator. There is the fraction 37 over 41 times 29. That approximates 26.17. 26.17. Option B. We choose option B. We do not choose 27. Option C. We do not choose 27 because the decimal after the comma is less than 0.5. Question number 6. If there are no gaps between tiles used for a kitchen floor, how many A² inch tiles are needed to cover a kitchen floor that is 10 feet wide and 14 feet long? We need to know that and there is 12 inches in a foot. A foot is singular form and feet is plural form. And as a result, the wide of the kitchen and the long of the kitchen, they have to be converted to inches. That is 10 times 12 is 120. That is 14 times 12 is let me use a calculator. That is 14 times 12. That is 168. Then the next step, we will calculate the area of the kitchen floor. The area of the kitchen floor is 120 times 168. Just need to turn 120. That is 20,000. 20,160. And the question asking about the number of A² inches tiles. A² inch tiles. It's simple. We just take 20,130 divided by 8. Calculate that again. Divided by 8, and we get 2,520. The option B. Question number 7. Jim's and Al's ages total 30. Doubling Jim's age and adding to it to S age equals to 45. 46. Oh, maybe we need to use variables here. Choose the yellow one. Let S, Y, Z be ages of the 3 person. Suppose that it is S, that is Y, and that is Z. Easily say that S plus Y equals 30. Doubling Jim's age, that is 2 times S plus S is Z equal to 46. Subtracting L's age, that means we take Z minus Y equal number 3. To find the result, we solve this system of equations by using the calculator. Number 2, that is a 1, 0, 30. That is 2 and 2 times S, that is 2, 0, 1, 46. Be careful with the third equation, that is 0 minus 1, number 1, and finally number 3, and we get S equal to 13. Asking about S, option A. The question number 8. The picture of a building in the book, every half inch represents 25 feet. This one means that 1 inch represents 50 feet. How tall is the building in the book? If the actual building is 350 feet tall, we just need to take 350 divided by 50. That is 7. Option D. Question number 9. What is the product of the S coordinates for intersection points of Fs equal to S squared minus 5 and GS equal to minus 2 times S plus 3? We let the two equations equal. To find the common points, we put F squared minus 5 equal to 2 minus 2 times S plus 3. Solving this equation is very simple. Use a calculator. 1, 2, and minus 8. And number 2 and minus 4. Maybe we don't need to solve this equation because from this equation we can recognize that the product of the two solutions is number 8. Number 8. Option A. Question number 10. Sean can swim 2 laps in 100 seconds. Brian 4 laps in 4 minutes. Sean and Brian start swimming at the same time. Sean will swim how many more laps than Brian in 5 minutes? It's tricky. Maybe we have to do step by step. First, we find how many seconds does it take each swimmer to swim 1 lap. How many seconds does it take each swimmer to swim 1 lap? Sean can swim 2 laps every 100 seconds. That means Sean I'm not sure, he or she, he can swim 1 lap in 50 seconds. We take 100 divided by number 2. That is 50 seconds in 1 lap. And about Brian, Brian can swim 4 laps in 4 minutes. 4 minutes equal to 4 times 30. That is 240 seconds. Hence, Brian, he can swim. We will take 240 divided by 4. We get 60. Therefore, Brian can swim 60 seconds in 1 lap. We take 240 divided by number 4. We will turn into the last step of 5 minutes. 5 minutes, that is 300 seconds. 300 seconds. So divided, we take 300 divided by 50, we get 6, and 300 divided by 60, we get 5. That means Sean can swim one more laps than Brian. 1 more lap than Brian in 5 minutes. Option A. Question number 11. The table below values describes the path of an object that has been dropped from a height of 16 feet. Which of the following equations is equal to MS? Fs is a parable, and the general form of parabola is y equal a times s squared plus ds plus c. It is very simple. We just take the value of t points. For example, this one, we take with the 0, 16. That means s equal to 0 and y equal to 16. We get 16 equal to c. With a second column, number 1, 15, we get 15 equal to a plus b plus c. Due to c equal to 16, we get a plus b equal to minus 1. The third column, number 2 and 12, we get 12 equal to 4a plus 2b plus c. To be simple, we can use the calculator. Number 1, 1 minus 1, 4, number 2, and 12 minus 16, we get minus 4. We get a equal to minus 1 and b equal to 0. With c equal to 16, a equal to minus 1, and b equal to 0, we choose option B for the final result.